Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. So I'm out here by my long raised beds, and I'm cleaning these beds because these two beds, and there's two of them, I'm gonna shut them down. So it's gonna be some changes in the garden, but these two beds, now they have served me well. They really have, but I need to make some changes in my garden for me, right? So this is some basil that I have over here growing, and I'm gonna get these seeds right here. Those are the seeds. So there's another patch right here of seeds, and over there also. I'm gonna get all those seeds, y'all. So let me get these seeds. I'm gonna put them all in a brown paper bag. That's all they need to do is go in this brown paper bag, and they will be fine. So whenever I get ready to plant them. Ooh, y'all hear that thunder? So it's been raining like in between, every now and then you get a sprinkle of rain, and yeah. I've harvested some of my sweet potato leaves. Now, these sweet potato vines was growing in the back of the bag on the other side of the fence. So I decided to harvest these leaves. And I'm going to cook these leaves in my wonton wraps. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to take the leaves off the stem, and I'm going to get it all cleaned up, and we're going to wrap it. So let me do that, and then I need to go and harvest some basil seeds. Yeah, let me get this done though. Right, there is my sweet potato leaves, and here's the plants that I got them from. Now, these plants are not yet finished serving me. Here they go, in the super juice. Let me get my stick, y'all. All right, so now I'm gonna put my sweet potato stems in here in the super juice, because she still have a lot to offer me, right? All right, y'all. There you go. So now I have my sweet potato leaves. I'm gonna bring them in and clean them. But before I go in, I need to go and get my basil seeds. Let me get them. So this is my basil, and I'm just harvesting it and putting it into this. I'm gonna put it in a bag when I get it in the house, and I'm gonna keep them in the garage. But no need to dry these or anything. They dry is all outdoors. But I'm just gonna put them in a brown paper bag, and they're gonna be great. All right, y'all. Let me harvest. All right, family. There it is. This is my basil. I'm trying to think of the variety of this basil. I'm thinking that is cardinal basil. Yeah. And I have my seeds. I'm going to put them all in brown paper bags and keep them in my garage where everything else is. All the other seeds I've harvested, that's where they are. Anyway, guys, let me get in the house now. All right, y'all. I'm sitting over here by my plantains, but yeah, I need to cut that. That's just too much. Ben is back there because Ben cut my mulberry tree down for me, and I'm so happy he did. But I came out here for something else, y'all. Check it out. So the sun is going down, so this is what you see. But here she is. This is my sunflower. This is the oldest one, the tallest, the biggest. And she's been standing here with her head down. And today, yeah, I'm gonna cut her head off. All right, y'all. There she is. She is big and she is beautiful. Yeah. Lots and lots of petals in here. And this is my sunflower. Well, this is my largest sunflower. That's her. So, let me break off one of these seeds. Look at them though, y'all. Oh, wow. So you may find bugs living in here, in this part of your sunflower, but hey, don't sweat it, y'all. Don't sweat it. Oh, here we go. Here we go. So the reason I allow my sunflower to stay on the plant until the rim is turning yellow is so the seeds can mature. And that means I'm going to get great germination from my seeds. Yeah. So now I'm going to take her. I'm going to put her in this box. And I'm going to let her dry completely. Okay, let me get her in the box, y'all. All right. I got the stem all the way off. And now I'm putting her in this box. And now she's going to sit in my garage in the little greenhouse. And she's going to dry. And then I will harvest my seeds, y'all. I'm going to harvest my seeds. But, oh my God, look at them. They're beautiful. They're beautiful and they are matured. And that's the most important thing. You want matured seeds for great germination. Yeah. All right, guys. Come with me check these watermelons. Ben is not home and I want to check them. Now, I would have my machete with me, but my son told me not to. He said because if I see a snake, I may swing it and cut my own leg off. So, you know, I'm going to listen. Shit, I'm going to listen. But anyway, this is the watermelon that I showed you all the other day. And, you know, she's a long way from being ready. Yeah, this is it. Where at? Right here. Right there. She's still green. She have a lot more growing to do. So let's get on in here. I seen a moon and star. Oh, there she is right there. It's a moon and star. There she is. And there is the moon and star. And look at the pattern on her, y'all. It's the night sky. It's the night sky. Yeah, my eyes open, y'all. I'm looking. I'm to make sure nothing jump out on me. Oh, here's another melon right here. I didn't even see her. But hey, baby. Hey. All right. Now, what I was looking for is the other, like, cantaloupes I planted, because some of them should be ready. Christian them over there eating water cantaloupes over there. Shoot. And I don't want any of my cantaloupes just to be sitting, you know. And she's off the vine, and you know, I don't get her. So these are the purple hull peas I let stay on the plant for seeds for next season, or for when I want to drop more. They are for the seeds. And now I have seeds also. And that's what these are for. So I had a nice harvest of them. And you know, this, it's just going to assure that I have more to plant. And I don't have to purchase purple hull peas seeds. Because I grew my own. I grew my own, baby. Yeah. So there's some more over here. Oh, that's a little one. That's all right. I'll take you too, Mama. I'll take you too. All right. Oh. All right, guys. Let me finish this up. I'll be back. All right. So this is what came out. These are my purple hull peas plants. There is the container. Now I'm gonna put some more soil in it and top it off. I'm going to put some super juice in it, and I'm going to let it set and wait for the fall, because I'm going to plant fall vegetables in this container. And this, well, I'll show you what I do with it, okay? Let's get these. So these plants has not stopped serving me yet. Not yet, because they are going to still feed me, y'all. Let's go over here and put them in this super juice. There we go. All of it, baby. All of it is going in there. Wait a minute. Let me get my sugar cane. Get my sugar cane stick. I'm trying to leave this open so when we have these little rain spells, I can catch some rain. But there we go. Work it out, baby. Work it out. So I had to put a stake on my cucumbers. But this is what I saw. Look at that. That's the first cucumber, y'all. She got lots of flowers on her. Yep. We're going to have some cucumbers. Look out, Myra. Oh, back there they got them too. All right. It won't be long. Yeah. Wow. This is my pear tree. She haven't given me any pears. And she is putting on flowers. What, girl? What? What? So this afternoon, Jade and I are gonna fry us some wontons. And look at that, y'all. I'm gonna get a couple of these. I'll probably put one of these in it because these are, I think these are, what's the name of these peppers? Sorrentos. I think that's the name of it. But they hot to me. My son said, they are not that hot to him, but they hot to me. So I'm gonna get this, and I'm gonna go on the other side and get this nice pepper on the other side. So let's get her right here. So, wait a minute, y'all. All right, so we got this one and these. I'm gonna get this yellow pepper. 1 second. It's a banana. It's a banana pepper. So Mike, the chaotic gardener, look at the seeds. I didn't know this one was gonna be this color. I don't know if you could see that. Maybe in here is two here, and these two didn't come up, but this one and this one is doing it. But let's get this pepper here. I'm gonna have to cut her. Wait a minute. Cannot go in without an LSU gold. That's, y'all see that? Look at that. Yeah, they got me on that one. That's all right. This one just split. I'm gonna get her anyway. And she is not ready yet. She looks ready, but she's still so tight. And this one over here, nah, she tight. Let's go see if that Italian, that black Italian is ready. All right. Oh yeah, she ready. She's leaning. Yeah, baby. And she is. So we got more coming on. Yeah. In the morning, those vocals will be ready. All right, y'all. So this is what I harvest today, and I'm eating. um, oh my, there y'all. Mm, that's oh, that's a brown turkey fish, y'all. Oh my God, that was sweet. I have sweat in my eyeball. But anyway, these are my purple hull peas that I'm going to use for seeds. My black Italian fig and just some peppers. And now I'm going in. I'm going to make some wonton wraps, y'all. Yeah, yeah. All right, guys. All right, guys. I just wanted to share my wontons that I made. It has um, chicken. It has shrimp. Um, it has sweet potato leaves in it. And a lot of crunch. I have some figs and I have some veggies. I hope y'all have a beautiful evening. Later, y'all.